Alright guys, check it out. This is the BBR D3 exhaust for a CRF125F. And on the table here, on the bench, you can see I've got the stock exhaust off for comparisons. And there really isn't any. I mean, this thing is so different. Alright. So different. The exhaust itself, I mean, the silencer is, I would say, probably a good pound lighter than the stalker. Good pound lighter. All right, have a good look at that. All right, it's got that unique shape. All right, that's why they call it the D3. All right, now you got this extra mid piece here. This bag that comes with it, this contains the springs and a spring puller, everything you need to put it together. Now look at the difference in these ends. I mean, that is such a big difference. All right, I mean, they are, this basically, this piece here fits inside with room to go. Look at that. It's amazing how much bigger this exhaust is compared to the stalker. I mean, that thing's gotta flow a lot more through it. Even this, you can tell that the pipe itself here is substantially smaller than what comes on the D3. Plus you get this nice carbon fiber piece that fits on here versus this big piece of metal on the stalker. But shoot, look at that. I mean, it's amazingly different in every respect. That's the mid pipe. You can see again how much bigger it is than the stalker. All right, way bigger. All right, so that's all going to go together. I'm going to get it all assembled, put it on, and we'll do a sound test later. But that's the BBR D3 exhaust, all the pieces to it. That's what you get when you get one, when you buy one. And the difference between the stock and the BBR D3 for the CRF125F. That's an amazing exhaust system. Can't wait to get it on and do a quick sound test. Then let's hear what you think about it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Highly recommend this exhaust. And let's get on the bike. Okay guys, so I just got it installed. Now, I haven't tightened it all down yet. I just did a little bit of a test fit on the BBR D3, sitting on a 2023 CRF125FB. So you can have a look at what that's going to look like. Now, I got the bike apart because I'm still waiting on my rims. Got some black rims coming, some BBR rims. But just check that out. I'll tighten it all down and put it all together properly later, but for now, this is what it's looking like. It all fits really good, no issues at all. Super easy, it clears everything nicely. Really well made. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. And again, this bike still has a lot of work left to do, but just wanted to give you guys a rough idea of what this exhaust is going to look like. That's the BBR D3 exhaust for the CRF 125. This is the big wheel version. And it's going to be a great addition to this bike, so check that out. Sound test to come. It's going to be an awesome build.